Are you tired to work for someone else 40 hours a week and 5 days per week only to earn a few peanuts? And now you're looking to use your free time to monetize your different skills and finally be able to do a little bit of money, but you're not able to find the right ideas to be able to suit your goals. Well, in this video, I will share with you what are the best side hustles that you can start right now and at any time, but also at any age to be able to start making a lot of passive income. So my first side hustle that I could recommend to anyone would be to start posting videos on YouTube. Everyone has passion and knowledge that they can share with the world. And in fact, starting to create and post videos on YouTube is totally free, and at the end of the day, you could make a lot of money from it. And the good thing about YouTube is that the cost of starting the business is pretty much nothing. The only thing that you could need is your phone and only a little bit of patience to be able to succeed. And throughout your YouTube journey, you could decide to increase and invest into the quality of your production. So you could decide to buy, for example, a new camera or buy, for example, a new computer. Eventually, when you'll be starting to generate more traffic and more views, and that you'll be able to reach the threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 of watch hours, you'll be able to monetize your channel with what is called Google AdSense, and this will make that with all the great effort and all the hard work that you will have put in your channel, and that with all the video that will be available, you will be able to monetize them and start making a living from it. And this is personally my favorite side hustle that I would recommend to anyone that wants to start making money online, because even if I currently don't make any money from YouTube, I see all my videos that I've worked on as my employee. Some of them are still making views at the moment, even after months after being published. And if I was monetized, those videos that would make views will still make some passive income for me. Now jumping to my second side hustle, it would be to become an online coach. Once again, on your part, you probably already have many different skills and knowledge that you could exploit. Just for an example, let's say that you're currently working into a marketing firm. Well, what you could do is use these current skills that you have in marketing, and in your free time, for example, on Saturdays, you could decide to become a marketing consultant. This is a great example where you could use the skills that you have from your job and use it outside of your job. And eventually, maybe your revenue of your consultancy will be even higher than your average income from the business where you're working. And now for my third side hustle, if you love to write, you could decide to just start writing and write an ebook. Once again, with all the different knowledge, skills, and experience that you have learned through time, you could decide to write an electronic book and sell it throughout your audience. Once again, just like YouTube, it's gonna take a lot of time first to put a lot of effort to write down the book, but eventually when you'll be done, you'll be able to publish it and make a lot of passive income from it. It could be a great way to generate some interesting cash flow, but at the same time, you might and you must be able to sell it. Another way where you could make some monthly income would be to rent one of your rooms into Airbnb. Obviously, to make this side hustle, you must have at least one house or one apartment. If you currently live alone into your little house and that you currently have one room empty, and let's say that for $500 per month you would rent this room, so at the end of the year it would give you a great $6,000 of more into your pocket. And even if you don't have space into your apartment or into your house, you could decide if you have a free parking or a free garage to rent it. Now for my next side hustle, it is one that has gained a lot of popularity throughout the last years because of its usefulness that it gives. It is actually to become a freelancer on Fiverr or Upwork. For those that wouldn't know what are these websites, they are basically places where the freelancers will meet the different potential customers, and those customers are often some normal people, but sometimes they are also some businesses. And basically these clients are asking for the help of the different freelancers so they can help them with a specific task. For example, if they would need a narrator for a YouTube video or even just a translator. And on their side, the freelancers, which could be you, could decide just to go see the customers and ask them straight what were their needs. This could be a great business model to start earning money right now. But on your side, you could also decide to start selling products online. But once again, this comes with your creativity to create some new products. It can be shirts, glasses, and even painting, but what you need is to create the right products for the right customers. And this could be a great way to generate some great cash flow flows from your sales. And at the same time, if your products are super good and are well appreciated by your customers, this could eventually increase the value of your brand. And on that side, you could start it just by selling products on Marketplace, Craigslist, or Nextdoor. And if you want, you could also create your own website with Wix.com or even Shopify. Talking about Shopify, the next side hustle could be to do some drop shipping. You've probably already heard about drop shipping by some fake gurus on the internet that promise you that you'll be able to make $10,000 in sales in your first day of drop shipping. But in fact, if you are persistent and that you're able to do it well, it could generate some interesting money at the end of the day. How it works basically is that first you have a customer that will order a certain product from you. And on your side, since you don't own this product, you will need to order this product from the supplier for a certain price. And at the end, the supplier will ship the product to the real customer. It seems pretty easy in theory, but in practice, it is quite arduous. Because in fact, right now, there are still a lot of competition in that side. And if this side hustle interests you, you could start by using Shopify to create your own website. And to get the product, you could use the supplier AliExpress. Nowadays, many companies are looking to understand more their client to be able to increase eventually the sales. And so another great way where you could earn a little bit of money would be to answer to online surveys. There are currently many websites where you could answer to those surveys. For example, Swagbucks, LifePoint, Inbox Dollars, and Survey Junkie. The only con about this method is the fact that you'll need to put a lot of hours compared to what will be your wage. And at the same time, compared to other better options on my list, this is not really a side hustle that you can be able to scale. Now, one of the best ways where you could invest and where you could start to generate some interesting cash flow would be to invest into the stock market. You already know that on my channel, I love to talk about the stock market and what are the best investments that you can do. But personally, for any beginners that would like to start investing, I would recommend you to check out what are the ETFs. In fact, those funds that are basically some basket of different companies that you hold are the best way to generate some insane return with the lowest risk and at the same time with the lowest fees. If you were more advanced and that you had more knowledge into the stock market, you could decide to own a certain part of a company by buying a stock. Now, if we come back to another great idea of side hustle, maybe for teens, it would be to become a pet walker. In fact, as we've been able to see throughout the pandemic, the pet adoption rates has increased. That means that since the pandemic, people want more and more different pets in their house. And obviously, it's not everyone that has the time to walk their pet. That means that there could be a growing demand into this activity. On your side, you could just go and ask your different neighbors if they have a need on that side. And this leads us to my next side hustle, which would be to do a car wash. Oh yeah, I'm talking about the good old car washes that we can see in all the different movies. But in fact, it can be a great way to make a little bit of money for all the different young teenagers. And especially right now where we can see that the number of cars has boomed in the last decades. Now people doesn't only want the most expensive car but also the cleanest. Now my next side hustle will probably make a lot of different elders happy, and this is to make food and groceries delivering. Indeed, since the world population, as you probably know, is getting older and older, and with the coming of all the technology with different applications just like Uber, we've recently seen a huge increase in that demand for this kind of service. So if you have a car on your side, you could offer your service in exchange of a little bit of money to deliver all the different food and groceries that the people need. And another great way where you can make a lot of money is by selling your old stuff. In fact, this is a win-win situation where you could clean your house and at the same time make a little bit of money. Right now, what you could do is just go and open your different closet and take all the different clothes that you don't fit in and that you don't use anymore. After, you can go on Marketplace, Etsy, or even Craigslist and sell it to different customers. And at the end, the only thing that you will need is to ship or to deliver the different clothes that you will give it to them. And finally, my last side hustle would be to start your own blog. If on your side, once again, you have a certain passion or different skills, or even if you just want to share the little moments of your life, there will be definitely an audience for it. and on your side you just have to write down some different articles, and if you're able to generate enough traffic, once again you will be paid by the different advertisers. And to start your own blog, you could use Shopify or even Wix. But now, even if you found great ways to generate a little bit of money with your side hustle, you could still be struggling with all the different daily expenses and all the different obligations of life financially. Well, in this case, check out the video that's going to be right over here that explains you how to save the most money even if you don't have a high income. And guys, make sure to join the Noor family for only $0.0 by subscribing to the channel, and I will see you soon. Peace!